Hi Zane, so I did leave you an email just to kind of let you know some of the things that I do, and if there's any other questions you have, please let me know. These were just some of the very basic things that I do to help set my classes up for success. And I just wanted to show you what I did, and I was just literally playing around with it because we use Canvas, not Google Classroom, but I was like, I know we had Google Classroom for our lower grades in Deer Valley, so I just kind of went in here and checked some stuff out. So some things that I talked about a little bit was the fact that you want to make sure, I think that labeling your week, like having a specific week, like my week 9, as you'll see on my calendar, is going to be global conflict. And I think that labeling each and everything that you do actually helps out, like for them to know like the numbers 9.0, 9.1, 9.2, and it helps them with that printable calendar piece as well. I literally just went in here and put in a quick, what was this, a material, I think? Yeah, a material. And then I put in, here's my introduction to the unit. I would put in here your learning objectives, what they're going to do this week. And then this is like, this is actually my one that I have in my course now, but this is like your unit intro video. And I would highly suggest that, again, you make like a 1 to 2 minute intro video every week. I only do it for the intro of my units as a whole, but that's because I do have my face in my course a lot and my voice in my course a lot. And probably since you're starting from scratch and probably throwing this together really fast, that's probably not going to happen for you to get so many videos out there. But even for them to just see your face really helps a lot. And then for like an assignment piece, I just went in and took one of my things that I had. I told them in this Google assignment when I went there, I actually like made it so that it would give the kids a copy every time, just so that you don't have to worry about them ever trying to edit your document. I just prefer that myself. When you're making assignments, again, like learning objective, very nice. I love having a suggested time for kids as well because it gives them something to consider. So this would be something that my kids would probably do over the course of 2 days because we don't have block scheduling in Deer Valley. And I do have that 3 hours suggested there. I tell them what they need to do for this. I give them specific steps that they need to have. And I do like having pictures because I think that helps them a little bit to have some visual piece. So that was just something, again, like I just kind of threw together just to show you what I would do. But it's really very simple if you do it this way. And then when you're ready for your next week, you would just, create, and then have a new topic and get your next week up there. And that just kind of creates them in like these nice little modules. So it's very easy for the kids to navigate through. So yeah, I mean, I also have all sorts of things like rubrics. They're very generic rubrics, but they're very good for like grading online. Just let me know what else you need and I can get you whatever you want to help get you set up. Thanks so much. I'll talk to you later.